In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discount codes in Squarespace. We'll walk through setting up a promotion that customers can use at checkout, whether you want to offer a percentage off, a fixed amount off, or free shipping. Start by logging into your Squarespace dashboard. From the main menu, open the Commerce area and choose Discounts. In some versions, you might find discounts under Products and Services. Once you're there, click the Add Discount button to create a new promotion. If you don't see the Discounts option, make sure you've enabled commerce features on your site and that your plan supports promotions. Next, choose the type of discount you want to run. Percentage off is great for broad, simple promotions like a seasonal sale. Fixed amount off works well for orders above a certain threshold or to promote specific products. Free shipping is perfect if your margins allow it and you want to reduce friction at checkout. Depending on your plan, you might also see advanced options like Buy X, Get Y. Pick the format that best fits your goal and your margins. Now configure the details. Start with the code customers will enter at checkout. Keep it short, clear, and easy to remember. Avoid special characters and use something consistent with your campaign, like a simple seasonal or product theme. Then, set the discount amount. For a percentage, define the exact percent off. For a fixed discount, set the dollar amount you want to subtract. Choose the trigger type. You can make it a manual code, which customers type at checkout, or automatic, which applies when conditions are met. Automatic discounts are available on certain commerce plans and are handy for site-wide sales where you don't want customers to enter anything. Add conditions if you need them. You can set a minimum order total to protect your margins, limit the discount to certain products or categories, or apply it to all orders. You can also schedule a start and end date so the promotion goes live and expires on its own. Finally, set usage limits. Limit the total number of redemptions or restrict usage per customer to prevent repeat use beyond what you intend. When everything looks good, click Save or Publish to activate the discount. If you schedule dates, it will turn on automatically. Before promoting it, add an item to your cart, apply the code, and confirm the correct amount is deducted. Once confirmed, share the code in your marketing materials and keep an eye on performance so you can refine future promotions.